In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add bills and receipts in Xero accounting software in just 5 minutes. This is perfect for those looking to manage their finances with precision and keep a clear record of all transactions. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Visit the Xero login page and click on Login. This will bring you to a page where you'll enter your email and password. Don't forget to have your login credentials at hand. Once you've entered your details, hit the login button again to access your dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the business section. This is where all the financial action happens. Click on business, which will then present you with various options. Look for and click bills to pay. This is your hub for tracking what needs to be paid, ensuring you stay on top of your financial commitments. With the bills interface open, you'll notice an option for new bill. Click on that. Here's where you start entering the essential details of your bill. Begin with the contact information. This could be a supplier or any entity you owe money to. Next, fill in the date, items, and a brief description of the transaction. Be as detailed as possible to ensure clarity down the line. For example, if it's a recurring expense, note that it's monthly and specify what it covers, like office supplies or server fees. This attention to detail will save you time when reviewing reports. Once you've got the details noted, the next part is attaching the corresponding receipt. Click on the file icon to upload a receipt that corresponds with the bill details you've entered. It's vital to have a proper record of every transaction, so make sure your receipts are clear and legible. Not only does this support your financial transparency, it also helps during audits and when reviewing year-end finances. After you've uploaded your receipt and you're confident all information is correct, it's time for the final step. Review everything carefully. This is your opportunity to catch any mistakes before they're set in your financial records. When you're satisfied that everything looks good, go ahead and click Approve. This action finalizes the entry and updates your accounting records. And there you have it. You've now manually added a bill and receipt into Xero. Keeping up with these entries on a regular basis ensures your accounting books are accurate and up to date, allowing you to maintain control over your financial affairs. Remember, meticulous records are the backbone of good business practice, leading to smarter financial decisions and greater peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.